Duck cover and hold. Duck cover and hold.
Magagamit natin yan sample sa ginagawa, sample lang to.
Sige.
Our command post is now active. Well done, duck over and hold. Remain in this position until shaking stops. As soon as the shaking stops, immediately evacuate the area or the building and proceed to identified evacuation areas using the predetermined routes guided by our marshals.
Participants will be grouped together according to the class where they belong and will conduct the accounting. The search and rescue team is now entering the building for the search and rescue. Is now rendering first aid to the victim at the medical site. A report to the incident commander.